get a lot of referrals from my customers, a lot of repeat calls. I get a lot of thank yous when I complete the job, a big smile. It says, we will refer you to our family and friends. You're an honest person. You do a great job. You prove what you do. You leave the defective parts with us. You don't lie here. You treat us like you would treat a family member. I've had people say that. For one person, I do my best. I'm not perfect, but I try to get there on time, and if I'm late, I call. If I'm on time, I call. If I can't make it, I call in advance to let my customers know I don't let them hang, because that would be not right to do. I give my absolute best to every single person. I don't mind if they watch me. I have nothing to hide.